Okay, now I'm going to explain how to use a hand tap. A lot of people have seen them, understand what they do, and that's to make female threads. This is how to use them with the aid of a tap holder. First you need to select the correct size drill to suit the tap. Today I'm using a 9.5 drill. That will suit the 11 by 1.5 pitch tap that we need to use. So you find your centre. Okay, once you've drilled your hole, that allows for us then to tap. Okay, once we've drilled the hole, we just fit the tap into the holder. Making sure that the square section fits into the grooves. And you tighten the handle. And instantly you've got your 90 degrees to work with, so it's nice and straight up and down. Now what you want to do, don't go crazy and just wind it clockwise until it makes it all the way through. It's not going to clear the swarf. You want to go probably about half a turn and back it off again. Just applying a little bit of pressure, and then you can start to make its way all the way through. And you have yourself a female thread ready for your bolt.